Eliana a very happy 7th birthday. Actually, Eliana and I have the same birthday, December 2. So sometimes when they greet Audrey na happy birthday, they always forget that it's also my birthday. So I tell them, birthday ko din. Pero at the end of the day, actually, I'm very happy na we're celebrating always my daughter's birthday with me.
Si Eliana kasi is a good girl. I mean, masasabi ko na hindi siya spoiled. That's why we have this kind of party kasi we really thought na deserve niya talaga magkaroon ng party na gusto niya. But then, sabi nga niya, saan yung next na orphanage party niya eh. So, alam niya na dapat in return, meron kami ibibigay din sa iba.
Happy birthday, Yana! I wish you na good health ka, tapos gusto mong gawin, mga gusto mong endeavors sa buhay ay makukuha mo. Alam ko naman na good girl ka, sumusunod ka sa mga payo ng iyong parents. So, continue mo lang yon para maging successful ka sa life. Yun, pagbutihin mo lang yung pag-aaralan mo. Nakakatuwa. Nasa isang batang katulad.
Very matured. You understand already the values na itinuturo ng parents mo, ng lola mo.
Na-absorb mo agad ang mga bagay na hinuhubog ng magulang sa kanyang paglaki.
Ang mami at daddy, with lola, sisiguraduhin ko ng future mo, a future niyo ni Eston will be a very good and a very successful one. I love you, Yana, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Eliana. I wish you continue to be a good and loving daughter, always healthy and happy, that you grow surrounded by many friends and together with us.
We're all happy. Happy birthday, Yana. Happy 7th birthday. With Daddy. You greet me also happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yana!
Happy birthday! Many more birthdays to celebrate. We love you so much.
Always remember that we are here for you, supporting whatever you want and guide you all the time.
I hope this event well prepared by your mom. So hopefully in maybe 10 years time or 20 years time, you'll be able to see this video and know that we always love you, Eliana, Audrey, Chua, and we will always support you in whatever you want. So we're all happy, and again, happy birthday, Yana.